Hello, Curiosity Chronicles family. We're thrilled to have you back for another exhilarating episode on Curiosity Chronicles, your go-to channel for exploring the wonders of our world. As always, your support means the world to us. If you haven't already, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your fellow curious minds, subscribing to Curiosity Chronicles, and ringing that notification bell to stay updated on our fascinating explorations. Your engagement is what fuels our curiosity, so let's make this episode unforgettable together. Welcome to the adventure, and let's dive into the excitement of Curiosity Chronicles. Have you ever wondered about the health and productivity of our agricultural soils today? Our planet's soil health is at the forefront of many discussions regarding sustainable agriculture, especially in the 21st century. As our population continues to grow, the demand for food production escalates, putting enormous pressure on our soil resources. The truth is, the current state of soil health and productivity is not as robust as we'd like it to be. In many parts of the world, soil degradation has become a significant concern. Overuse, deforestation, and poor farming practices have stripped away the natural fertility of the soil. As a result, our agricultural lands are losing their ability to support healthy and productive crop growth. One of the biggest culprits behind soil degradation is nutrient depletion. Every time a crop is harvested, essential nutrients are removed from the soil. If these nutrients are not refilled, the soil becomes less fertile over time. This nutrient depletion can lead to poor crop yields, and in extreme cases, could even render the land unusable for agriculture. The impact of climate change on soil health cannot be overlooked either. Rising temperatures, erratic rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events are all taking a toll on our soil resources. These climatic changes can lead to soil erosion, loss of organic matter, and a decrease in the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients. Despite these challenges, the importance of healthy soil for agriculture and food production cannot be overstated. Healthy soil is the foundation of our food system. It provides the necessary nutrients for plant growth, helps retain water, and supports a diverse ecosystem of beneficial organisms. Without healthy soil, our ability to produce enough food to feed the growing world population is severely compromised. So, what can we do about this? How can we combat soil degradation, nutrient depletion, and the impacts of climate change to improve soil health and agricultural productivity? The answer may lie in an ancient practice that is gaining renewed attention in the world of sustainable agriculture. So, how can we improve soil health and agricultural productivity? Enter Biochar. Biochar, a simple yet powerful solution, might just be the answer we're looking for. Biochar at its core is a charcoal-like substance, but it isn't your everyday barbecue charcoal. It's a product of a very deliberate and controlled process known as pyrolysis. Pyrolysis involves the burning of organic material derived from agricultural and forestry wastes. The burning occurs in a controlled, low-oxygen environment, which prevents the material from completely breaking down. The result is biochar, a stable form of carbon that's chock-full of benefits for our soils. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the physical properties of biochar. It's rich, dark, and porous in nature, in a more attractive format. These pores, akin to a microscopic sponge, provide a home for beneficial soil organisms and play a crucial role in its effectiveness. They serve as tiny pockets storing nutrients and water that plants can tap into when needed. Think of biochar as a miniature reservoir of life-sustaining resources. But unlike a water reservoir that eventually dries up, biochar's nutrient-storing ability is long-lasting. This resilience is due to its high carbon content, which resists decomposition and allows it to remain in the soil for hundreds, even thousands of years. But the magic of biochar doesn't stop at nutrient retention. Biochar's porous nature also improves soil structure. It increases soil porosity, reducing compaction, and improving aeration. This, in turn, allows plant roots to breathe easier and reach deeper into the soil, accessing more nutrients and water. So we have a substance that's not only eco-friendly, being derived from waste materials, but also serves as a nutrient and water bank for plants and improves soil structure to boot. It's a triple threat solution to some of the most pressing issues in agriculture today. It's clear that Biochar is more than just a charcoal-like substance. It's a game changer for agriculture, a tool that can help us nurture healthier, more productive soils. It's a key that can unlock the door to sustainable agriculture and food security. Now, let's explore how this incredible substance works. Biochar might seem like just another type of charcoal, but it has a unique function in the soil. It's a bit like a superhero, quietly working underground, enhancing soil health and boosting plant growth. But how does it do this? Let's dive in. To start with, Biochar is a porous material. This means it's full of tiny holes, like a sponge, and it's this quality that gives it its superpowers. The porous nature of Biochar allows it to retain water, which is a boon for plants, particularly in dry conditions. It provides a reservoir of moisture that plants can tap into, reducing the need for frequent watering. But Biochar doesn't just hold on to water. It's also excellent at trapping nutrients. In the soil, nutrients can easily be washed away by rain or irrigation. However, with Biochar present, these vital nutrients are held firmly in place. This reduces nutrient leaching and ensures that plants have a steady supply of the nutrients they need to grow. Now, let's talk about soil acidity. Some plants struggle to thrive in acidic soils. Biochar can help here too, by neutralizing soil acidity. This makes it easier for plants to absorb the nutrients they need, promoting healthier growth. And there's more. Biochar also provides a perfect home for beneficial soil organisms. These tiny critters, including bacteria and fungi, play a crucial role in maintaining soil health. They help break down organic matter, releasing nutrients into the soil. By providing a habitat for these organisms, Biochar enhances their activity, leading to more nutrient-rich soil. So, you see, Biochar is not just a piece of charcoal. It's a soil enhancer, a moisture retainer, a nutrient trapper, an acidity neutralizer, and a habitat provider. It's a small piece with a big impact, working tirelessly below the surface to improve soil health and promote plant growth. Now that we understand how Biochar works, what are the main benefits of using it in agriculture? In our next segment, we'll explore just that. Stay tuned. Biochar offers numerous benefits that can revolutionize agriculture as we know it. Firstly, it's all about improving soil health and crop productivity. Biochar, with its porous structure, acts like a sponge, absorbing nutrients and water, making them readily available for plant roots. This results in plants that are not only healthier, but also more productive, providing a higher yield for every square foot of farmland. Next comes the reduction in the need for chemical fertilizers. Biochar's nutrient retention capabilities mean that less fertilizer is washed away by rain or irrigation. This not only saves money on fertilizer inputs, but also decreases the risk of harmful nutrient runoff into nearby water bodies, a major environmental concern. A third advantage is enhanced water retention. In areas prone to drought or where water is a scarce resource, this feature is a game changer. The sponge-like quality of Biochar means it can hold onto water far longer than typical soil, reducing the need for frequent watering and helping crops survive during dry spells. But perhaps one of the most exciting benefits of Biochar is its potential to combat climate change. Biochar is essentially stable, carbon-rich organic matter. When added to soil, it effectively locks away carbon that would otherwise return to the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. This makes it a powerful tool for carbon sequestration, helping to reduce the overall carbon footprint of agriculture. Finally, it's worth noting that Biochar also contributes to biodiversity in the soil. The nooks and crannies within Biochar provide a safe haven for beneficial microbes, fungi, and other soil organisms. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and disease suppression, promoting overall soil and plant health. So there you have it. Improved soil health, increased crop productivity, reduced chemical inputs, water conservation, climate change mitigation, and enhanced biodiversity. These are the main benefits that make Biochar a truly transformative tool for sustainable agriculture. So how effective is Biochar in real-world farming? Let's look at some case studies. Biochar isn't just a theoretical solution. It's already making a difference in farms around the world. Let's journey to the rice fields of China. Here, farmers have been using Biochar for a few years now. The results remarkable. Studies report increased yields by up to 20%. Imagine that, a fifth more rice, all thanks to this little addition to the soil. But it's not just the quantity that's improving. The quality of the rice is better too, with higher starch content. That's a win-win for farmers and consumers alike. Now, let's take a trip down to Brazil, where sugarcane is a major crop. Biochar is playing a pivotal role here too. Farmers are seeing improved soil fertility, leading to healthier, more robust sugarcane crops. The biochar is helping to retain essential nutrients, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. This not only saves farmers money, but it's also better for the environment. From there, we move to the vineyards of California. If you're a wine lover, you'll love this. Biochar is helping to enhance the quality of the grapes. How? By improving soil health and water retention. This leads to more flavorful and robust grapes, which in turn results in better quality wines. But it's not just large-scale farming that's reaping the benefits of biochar. Small-scale farmers and gardeners are finding success too. In the vegetable gardens of Australia, biochar has been shown to increase yields of tomatoes, cucumbers, and zucchinis. And the best part, the veggies are healthier and more nutrient-rich. Across the globe, in different climates, with varying crops, one thing is consistent. Biochar is making a positive impact. It's improving soil health, boosting crop yields, and helping to create a more sustainable future for agriculture. With all these benefits, it's clear that biochar holds great potential for the future of sustainable agriculture. Thank you for joining us on Curiosity Chronicles today. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video. Curiosity Chronicles Explore. Discover, share, check out our latest video on related topic.